Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail again. Here's an old hood panel. I polish these all the time, and sometimes I get a surprise. Look how beautiful that thing came out. But this is an interesting paint job because it's actually gray right here, but look what happens from a different light angle. Shoot, it's copper. Wow, look at that. Whoa, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I clean this one. Now this one is a really good solvent-based clear coat. A lot of the newer clear coats are made from water-based, so they don't haze up, they just blister and peel. It's terrible. But these old ones would haze up. So this thing looks good when it's wet, dries up, gets ugly again, it'll come back, and I'll show you what I mean. And these are the products that I use. This is called the Lukat Fix-It. This is a dedicated paint cleaner, and this is a wax, but it's made to seal the paint. But what you want to do is you want to look how beautiful that is. You want to bring that back, and you don't want to put wax over this ugly stuff, because buried underneath this is that beautiful copper to gray color. I mean, look at that. That is just beautiful. Wow. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this one. I'm going to just show it from this angle. Look at it. What? It goes completely gray. Isn't that cool? Wow. So I really enjoy doing this. Can you tell? It's just something I like to do right there. But I'll show you guys how this works, and we'll get on it right now.